My name's Phil Martin. I'm the manager at Holman Collision Center of Pembroke Pines.
My name is Jose Hernandez. I'm a collision technician. I've been using car liner for roughly 5 to 6 years.
Since I've been at Holman, we've always had car liner at the store in Fort Lauderdale when I was there originally, and then it was obviously the first thing we go to when we opened our new stores. We wanted a measuring system that was easy to use, something we could use for pre-measuring.
PointX has helped out the shop with the cycle time because as we're taking the cars apart, we can pre-measure them, and it cuts the amount of supplements that we have to do throughout the repair process.
What I like about the PointX is, for the customer aspect, is the peace of mind. We're measuring that car, showing that the specs are within OEM specifications, adding it to the file. So if they ever have any worries or concerns, we can show them what we did and say that your car is within spec. With the PointX, another good aspect of it is that we charge 1 to 3 hours every time we use it. So depending on what type of repair it is, if it's a small repair or a large repair, how many points of the car we're measuring, we were able to charge for that. It allows us to pre-measure cars even before they're torn down. So it gives the advisor the opportunity and even the technician to see if it needs to go on the frame rack. PointX is easy to use, it's quick.
Car liner is top-of-the-notch equipment. It allows us to do our repairs with top quality and very fast cycle time. Provides us with all the training and all the equipment that we really need to perform the best repair processes